Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful restored 1955 Chevrolet two-door hardtop Bel Air that's been modified with an LS1 5.7 liter motor with power steering and four-wheel power disc brakes. Carbon fiber cover on top of the LS motor. Yes, with air conditioning and aluminum radiator. Beautiful exterior red paint. Sitting on a beautiful set of chrome torque thrust-like wheels. Beautiful two-tone, excellent chrome, excellent grille, nice glass throughout. It is lightly tinted, and we do have power windows on this one, folks. Yes, power windows on all four corners. Beautiful interior, redone, bucket seat, custom center console. As you can see, upgraded gauges, real Bel Air car, beautiful door jambs, nice door sill plates. Body is very, very straight on the Bel Air. No cracks in the paint, very slick, no bubbles. Very, very nice professional restoration. It's been painted, it's been a rotisserie restored, and underneath the car is also red as well, like the top, or should I say the side of the Bel Air. It's a frame-off restoration, new bushings throughout. If I didn't mention, it's got the four-wheel disc brakes on the car. As you can see, the lightly tinted windows. Passenger side looks great as well. Car is ready to go. It's a real pro touring RESTOMOD classic vintage, guys, ready to go. Look at this paint job. Look at that reflection. Really, really nice. If you guys want to see underneath the vehicle, not a problem. Go to my website at mgmclassiccars.com. And yes, everything functions. So if you get in the car, no need to put your foot on the gas, pump it. Just turn the key. Starts right up. Beautiful sound. If you've been looking for a Tri-5, here it is, guys. Here it is, ready to go, touring across the country in this beautiful modern drive line with the LS1 4L60 electronic transmission, four-wheel power disc brakes with air conditioning, power driver seat, and power windows. Guys, gals, ready, ready, ready. Let me shut this off real quick. If you guys and gals are looking for financing, it's not a problem. Get a pen handy here. If you guys need financing, if your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need 10% down, okay? Go to mgmclassiccars.com, click the finance tab, and fill out that credit application. For those of you with a little better credit score of 750 and higher, go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. That's light, L-I-G-H-T, stream.com. Much better rates, or should I say a little bit better rate for better credit scores, obviously. No money down options are available. No prepayment penalty on any loans here that we do. We also have loans that go up to 144-month term to keep the payment really low if needed, okay? So fill out that credit application if that fits your criteria for your credit score. All approvals are based off your credit profile. So that would be something that the credit department, finance department will be going through with you over the phone. There you have it, folks, okay? If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. This car is ready to go. MGM Classic Cars has over 100 beautiful vintage classic muscle cars for your viewing. Check us out at mgmclassiccars.com. Now that you have your pen handy, I can give you my phone number. Text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote to ship this beautiful 55 Chevy right to your driveway, fully insured for the purchase price. Okay, are you ready? My number is 847-848-1850. Once again, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas. Talk soon.